So see it now. Once again, it starts. See that?
When this happened?
This happened last night. See that? Yesterday, nice and clean yesterday.
Flash floods across Jamaica have once again left residents picking up the pieces after waters damaged homes and property. Nadine Thompson, a resident of Trafalgar Park in St. Andrew, is among those now facing a massive cleanup.
My tenant called my phone and he says, Nadine, the rain, we are flood out. And when I got up, I stepped in a pool of water off the bed. And then when I came out in the living room here and everywhere was flooded.
She says this is the second time her home has flooded in just over a week.
So all of this is clean up already?
Everything is clean up already.
A walk through her house shows pools of water and mud in nearly every room. In her laundry room and office, the floors remain caked in mud.
Mud. See that? Mud.
In the living room, a table leans against the wall after being damaged. Outside, a refrigerator motor sits discarded, no longer working.
87,000 for fix back that I buy that I put back the fridge, gone again. Hot water, gone again. Repair for fix back the washing machine so I can wash so I can save, gone again.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Southeast St. Andrew, Julian Robinson, says a blocked gully is to blame and has pledged to take steps to have it cleared.
I think we have identified where the blockage is, and we're going to be taking steps to clear the blockage so at least the water can flow, so that if you have heavy rains, you won't have the blockage and the flooding out again.
I don't like to lay down. Remember, I have high blood pressure. I don't just like to lay down a little bit. Coming to sleep last night.
Reporting for the Jamaica News page, I'm Jeff Anderson.